Brady's attempting to ram vehicles. We see your hands! What's he got, a gun?
A routine emergency call quickly spirals into a life-threatening confrontation when a desperate son reports that his father, armed, dangerous, and wanted by authorities, has threatened his own family. Within minutes, officers are thrust into a high-stakes pursuit that forces them to make split-second decisions under extreme pressure. This is a chilling reminder of how rapidly violence can unfold, and how discipline and training can mean the difference between life and death. Stay with us as we break down this intense body cam footage step by step.
Is your dad?
Yes, my dad. He threatened my mom. He already has 3 warrants under his name.
Do you know what direction he went?
I'm assuming he went this way.
205, it's an unknown direction of travel, possibly back into Northwoods.
Yeah, he's on drugs, and he has a weapon on him.
Does he know anybody in the area?
I'm not sure.
Anybody's house he will go to?
The storage right here in Chestnut, that's our unit right there. He usually goes there.
So he try and run over your mother?
He tried to hit us. Today he's trying to hit me.
205 unit's going to be negative when I'm trying to run over anybody. It's going to be an attempted 17 in another vehicle.
What was he wearing?
I just saw a red shirt.
They just saw a red shirt. They didn't see what color pants. His name?
Walfre.
Walfre?
Walfre, W-A-L-F-R-E.
Last name?
Bautista Miranda.
Ooh. That's on you.
The subject's first name is going to be Walfre, last name Bautista Miranda.
It's a Ford and it's got busted out back windows.
Oh, we're going to get him today. We're going to get him today. I feel it.
God, shut up! 205 to units. I believe he just passed me coming out of the storage shed. I'm having to turn around on him. Going back towards DeKalb Technology. It should be coming right to you then.
Can we wait for you to let him up?
Go ahead and line him up.
He just 41 me. He just 41 me. Block him in right there.
Brady's attempting to ram vehicles. We see your hands! What's he got, a gun?
The incident begins with a frantic report from a young man who tells officers that his father has threatened his mother and attempted to run them over. He reveals that the suspect has multiple outstanding warrants, is believed to be under the influence of drugs, and is carrying a weapon. Officers immediately begin gathering information. The suspect is last seen wearing a red shirt and driving a damaged Ford with shattered rear windows. Authorities are warned that he may return to a nearby storage facility, an area he frequently visits. The situation escalates quickly. With a dangerous suspect on the move, officers coordinate their response and prepare for a confrontation that could turn deadly at any moment. Units spread across the area, scanning roads and monitoring possible escape routes. Tension rises as officers confirm the suspect's identity and broadcast his details over the radio. Moments later, an officer spots the vehicle near the storage facility. The suspect has resurfaced. As patrol units move into position, communication becomes critical. Officers carefully coordinate to intercept him, aware that he has already demonstrated violent intent. Then everything changes.
Sarge, you want me to approach?
I want you to say where you are.
Yes, sir.
Mother!
Start EMS, 1018.
205, maintain 10-3.
He's down. I see him down. He's down.
Can we open him?
No, we're gonna get it from this side right here.
He's down. Still alive, still breathing. His eyes are open.
Same way. Parkway.
205. You go and have CID en route. Hey, get back there and start directing people back the other way. I want you to hang out right there. You stay where you are.
Huh?
Did you get fired? Did you? You had that machete coming at you.
I know. Just calm down.
I got out. You weren't even in there. He opened the door.
Okay, go ahead, back up.
103 on that.
Okay. Perp shot.
Okay, all of us are good.
All of us are good so far. A perp shot, and I think he's in the back of Hertick's car. They put him in the back of Hertick's car.
Stay. Leave him where he's at.
Where's the machete?
You still got it now, right?
Where's it?
He's not holding it. He's not holding it.
205, just confirming EMS is just for the suspect, 10-4.
10-4. All officers are 10-4. I shot him. I shot him.
Okay. All right. You all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, man. You good?
Wait, I saw him reverse back into you. That's why I pulled around.
We got ambulance coming. He tried to hit us, so they shot him.
Go ahead.
I want crime scene tape strung up all the way across where that telephone pole is, all the way down, all the way back down to the intersection back here.
You want me to remove the machete?
I want you to leave him where he's at. I don't want you to touch him.
I'm gonna stay on him. He's got it right next to
That's fine.
you. All right, bro?
I'm good.
Sure?
Yeah.
All right. This is suspect?
Yep.
Why is he in the front of that car?
Because he ran out of that one. He ran at Hertick with a machete and got jumped in the car, attempted to run over Henson, and I shot him.
Okay. All right. Do me a favor. Just let's come back here to the next car.
Do me a favor. Grab my coffee out of mine.
I will.
Thank you. You want mine?
Yes, sir. You need something besides that?
My coffee.
He still has it.
Yeah, it's still in his right hand.
He needs to get out of that car. Folks over on him. I'll take him out. Bring him out.
You need the gloves?
Someone needs to grab him and get him out. We're not gonna, EMS can't do anything with him within the single shit.
Down.
We can safely move him over here. We need to keep this area here clear. Watch out for shell casings on the ground. We need to get him to a place that EMS can get to him. Is EMS coming this way or this way? All right. Well, let's get him moved over here. We need to get this guy on this side of the and get this part clear. Who else got gloves?
I have gloves in my car, and it's unlocked.
Go get a box. Go get a box.
You don't have to have the door shut. Thank you. I'm gonna stand outside.
That's the son and the uncle. I want to say. They're the ones who initiated the call. He tried to hit them with the van.
All right, drag his ass up there. It's gonna be the safest place. It's gonna be the. All right, you ready? I got him. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Got him. No, you grab one arm. You grab the other arm, and just get him up there with the EMS report on him when he gets here. Oh, he walks. Great. Good. Keep going.
5, be advised of nature of injuries.
This is him.
Right here?
Now let's keep on going.
We gotta go up there.
He's gonna pass out. Let's just sit right here.
Do we need tourniquets?
No, it's on his face.
No. Hey, what's your name? Oh, number.
Bautista.
What?
Bautista.
Bautista?
We've had him down yet?
You okay? He didn't hit you, did he?
No, okay.
I know.
I couldn't shut my door in time.
No,
I had to react, and that's why I pulled.
Yeah, I thought he was gonna hit with
I
the
thought
machete.
he was coming after me.
He was. He was.
Chest seal. Do we need that for there?
Oh, I don't hear it sucking.
Okay.
You're okay, buddy. Hang in there.
The ambulance is coming.
Where are you coming from?
The storage.
What? Storage unit? You have a unit over there?
He's getting ETL.
All right. What were you doing today?
Working.
Working? Where do you work?
You have scissors in here?
Yeah, right there.
We're trying to let them figure it out on their own.
They're not. They're just gonna sit there and look.
We've had like 2 calls on this guy within this week. And then when they said he was drunk and had a machete, something in my gut said, this guy's going down here. We've got warrants, right?
Yeah, we got warrants already. We've been trying to get him all morning. Here, grab your bag
Look at me.
before it falls
Hey.
for blood.
Look at me. Keep talking to me. Tell me what you're doing today.
Hurts.
It hurts?
Yeah, this side.
I know it hurts, but keep talking to me. Stay awake. Hey. Talk to me. What were you doing today? Where were you going? Hey, tell me, where were you going in the van?
To work.
You were going to work?
Yeah.
Where do you work?
In Lawrenceville.
In Lawrenceville?
Yeah.
What do you do for work?
Officers are forced to react. Commands are issued. Warnings are given. But the threat continues to advance. Gunfire erupts. Within seconds, the suspect collapses. The immediate danger is neutralized, but the situation remains tense as officers secure the scene and assess the aftermath. Officers quickly shift from confrontation to crisis response. They establish a perimeter, request medical assistance, and confirm that no officers have been injured. The machete is located and secured as evidence. Despite the chaos, communication remains calm and professional. Crime scene tape is deployed, and supervisors begin coordinating the next steps. Meanwhile, emergency medical services rush to the scene to treat the wounded suspect. As paramedics arrive, officers provide aid to the suspect. They keep him conscious, asking questions to assess his condition while awaiting transport. He confirms he had been at the storage unit and claims he was on his way to work as a painter. Officers continue to monitor his breathing and injuries, ensuring he receives immediate care. Within minutes, he is transported to the hospital.
All of that? Hey, look at me.
Okay. Just have a seat in this car. I just want you to chill out, hang out in the air conditioning, chill out. If you need anything, come to me. I'll make sure you get it.
I'm good, man.
Okay.
I'm gonna call my wife. Is that fine?
Yeah.
I'm on.
You're on, or
I'm on.
Okay.
You want to leave it on, turn it off? What you want?
I mean, if you're calling your wife, it's all over now. I say you can turn it off.
Okay.
Especially if you're calling your wife.
When's the last time you went to work? Yesterday? This morning? What?
I came to pick up some tools.
You came to do what?
To pick up some tools.
Pick up tools?
What'd you say your first name was?
Huh? Say that one more time.
You're okay. Hey, man, keep your eyes open. Eyes open. You hear the sirens?
Another one on here, too.
Sirens, buddy. Keep your eyes open. Keep fighting.
You hear that? They're coming. Don't
buddy.
do that. Hey, keep your eyes open.
Keep your eyes open. Keep looking.
They're coming.
Can you see us? Can you see us? We're here.
Stepping in. Whole thing.
No. Check yourself. Rub it on that.
And then I call card.
Their duty fulfilled, the officers transition from enforcement to preservation of life, a hallmark of professional policing. The suspect, identified as 41-year-old Walfre Bautista Miranda, survives his injuries. Following his recovery, he faces a series of serious charges. A grand jury indicts him for multiple felonies, including aggravated stalking, aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, aggravated assault involving family violence, hijacking a motor vehicle in the first degree, possession of a knife during the commission of a felony. He later accepts a plea agreement, pleading guilty to the charges in exchange for a reduced sentence. The court sentences him to up to 10 years in prison, followed by 15 years of probation. As with all officer-involved shootings, an independent investigation is launched. Authorities review bodycam footage, witness statements, and forensic evidence to determine whether the use of force was justified. The findings conclude that the officer acted within the law. Faced with an armed suspect who attempted to ram police vehicles and threaten lives with a machete, the decision to use deadly force was ruled justified. The case underscores the unpredictable nature of law enforcement and the immense responsibility officers carry each day. This incident reveals critical truths about policing. Preparation is everything. Officers must anticipate the unthinkable before it happens. Communication saves lives. Clear coordination prevented further casualties. Discipline under pressure matters. Even in chaos, thanks to swift action and professional conduct, officers contained the threat and prevented further tragedy. But this case also raises important questions. Was the use of force justified? Could the situation have ended differently? What would you have done in that moment? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown informative, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real-life bodycam analyses and true crime investigations. Your support helps bring these critical stories to light. Stay informed, stay aware, and we'll see you in the next episode.